Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous couple of videos, we have covered Grafana installation in various operating systems. Okay, so in the first video, we have installed Grafana Enterprise Edition in the Windows machine. In the second video, we have covered that how you can get your free and instant virtual lab of your Grafana server directly from Virtuallabs.Online. So you don't have to install anything. You just order your Grafana virtual lab from Virtuallabs.Online and it will give you your virtual lab instantly and free with pre-installed Grafana and other components. Okay. Now in this video, we will see how you can install and run Grafana in Docker using Virtuallabs.Online. So I'm again going to use Virtuallabs.Online to create a Docker ready server. So in which server Linux and Docker is pre-installed, so I don't have to set up anything. I just have to run this command to download the Grafana image of Docker, and then we can directly run the Grafana Enterprise image from the Docker, and we can access our Docker from anywhere in the world because we are going to get the public IP when we are using the Virtuallabs.Online. Okay, so this is the thing we are going to cover in this video, that how to install and run Grafana in Docker using Virtuallabs.Online. So I am using Virtuallabs.Online and I have this lab details. Okay, and my lab is Docker ready lab. Let me show you. You can see Docker virtual lab. So Linux is the operating system, which is Amazon Linux 2023, and Docker is pre-installed. And here you can see that. Okay, so Amazon Linux 2023 is the Linux and Docker is pre-installed. So if I type Docker, you can see it is already installed in this Linux operating system. Now we can use this command to download and run Grafana Enterprise image, okay, for Docker. So I'm going to copy this and we will paste it here. Okay, Docker run and then entire command. Now I'm going to hit enter. So it will pull the image, it will extract, and it will start the Grafana Enterprise Edition. Okay, so the command is successfully run. Now we can use command docker psa. Okay, and here we can check the Grafana Enterprise Edition image is running. You can see status up for 8 seconds. So it is already running from 8 seconds. Now we want to access the Grafana. Then how we can access it? And you can see the Grafana is running on the port 3000. So how we can access the Grafana homepage, or you can say dashboard. So here, if you go to your virtual labs list, then here you can see Docker virtual lab, and here you will get the public IP address. So you can copy this public IP address. Okay, you can open new private window and you can paste that IP address, and after that colon and then 3000, which is the port number to access the Grafana dashboard. Okay, you can see Grafana and it is loading. Okay, now we can enter admin username and password. So admin. Okay, we don't want to change the password, so we will skip it. So here is your Grafana dashboard. Now you can use this Grafana to create your own interactive dashboard, which can read data from multiple data sources. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how to install and run Grafana in Docker using Virtuallabs.Online. So we will use Virtuallabs.Online to create our Docker ready server in which Docker is pre-installed. And then after we will use this command to pull the Grafana Enterprise Edition image, and then after we will run it. Okay, and you don't have to use any command to run it. It's already there in this command docker run. So it will directly run the Grafana Enterprise image after pulling it. And then after, you can use this command docker ps-a to check the status that our Grafana Enterprise Edition is running or not. Once it is running, you can use port 3000 to open the Grafana dashboard. Okay, and here is the public IP address which you can use, and then after you can put 3000 to access the Grafana page. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Otherwise, we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will cover that how to install and run Grafana in Raspberry Pi. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.